Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to rebuild a RICOH 0403 PC unit. First of all, unscrew front and rear drum stays. Yeah, secondly, it's called a rear dry lumpant. So 3 screws there. And the other thing is the drive gears. Two screws. And slightly just use a flat blade and slightly push it in order to take the rear drum stay, to take it out. And unhook the plastic clip and get the loom out, and then you can separate from PCU. You can separate tape unit from PCU. As you can see here, we have to take it off. That's the charge roller. So take the charge roller out. You can say charge roller unit. And get the drum out. If you can see, it wears a lot. I mean, it is worn a lot. So the blade also, that's the lubrication blade. Two screws. And I'm gonna take it off the lube bar. So 2 screws, and again you have to use the flat blade. Just pop it. Here we go. Lube bar out. It's quite worn. So as you can see, and in order to take the lube brush out, so from the front of the drum there's 1 screw. Unscrew that, and that's a yes, you take it out, the plastic tube, the tap, and there's a copper clip. Just push it out. Get the bar out. And the next is the lube blade. drum blade, 2 screws, you can see lots of waste toner over there, the depths mixed up. So using a hoover you can whack it all the waste toner and the depths. So you've got to be really careful when you do this. Right, it's already done, it's whacked, so the unit is clean now. So the first one is the drum blade. It's better before you put the drum blade, just onto the blade, just add some toner in it on top of it, so it will give help to move the drum easily. And also, well before that, there are 2 drum cushions on left and right. So screw it again, 2 screws. If you screw the right side screw first, that's good, because it will keep the blade onto the right alignment. So there are 2 copper clips which the cleaning brush goes, so it will get dirty with this toner. So if you spray oil, lube oil, and then just clean it thoroughly, in that way it will give good clean, and then it will help to roll that, move it easily. This is the lube brush. The technical word. First left side and the right side, and then pop the copper clip in. And the toner tube, one screw there. Remember, all the screws are self tappers. Next blade is lubrication blade. Two screws again, starting with right screw, right side. It's 03, 04, both PC units the same. This is exactly the same way you do on 03 as well. And the next step is the lubrication bar. You've got to be really careful when you deal with this. This is so fragile. It's kind of like clay, like dried one. So it is sprung loaded. When you handle it, you've got to be really careful. Pop that in, and then cover with the plastic case. When you press that plastic case, you got to be again really careful. If you press it wrongly, the bar will break it. Two screws, so the next step is a charge roller. And before that, you can do the drum if you like. So that circle plier, so get the clip out and then pull the drum axle out. Remember, if you can use the previous drum, old drum, so you can use it. I mean, if it is worn, yes, you have to use a new drum. And remember not to take all the wrappings out until you fit and fix the axle in it and put the circle clip out, because it might, you know, in case if you touch the drum with any equipment, any tool, it will get damaged, so you don't want to waste money. And then charge roller unit. This unit clean your drum. It's a one process actually. Carefully take the drum out, wrappings out. So put the drum in first, left side. That means the back side of the drum, rear side, and there you go. That's the PC unit. So the next one is the dev unit. So you don't have to change it. So if it is good, right? So put them together. From rear side first. There we go. So that's together now. So And don't forget, as you taken out, so put the front one and then rear one next. So these are the drum holders, drum stay, you can say anything. Three screws again. And the gears, 2 screws. I want to tell you some important thing. When you put charge roller in, you got to be really careful. If there is dirt or any scratches on it, that will come on the image. When you print, it will come on the image. So you got to be really careful. There shouldn't be any dirt or any marks. So if there is, you have to change it. Otherwise, no point of doing it. And the last thing is rear drive lump nut. Yeah, 1 screw. And the front drum stay, 2 screws. You're almost done. Right, don't forget to clip the drum lube. There we go. So the drum unit is done. You can see it's just easy one. Ladies and gents, thank you so much for watching this video. I will come again with another unit.